guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new here. My name is Michelle. I create beauty content each and every week, so if you enjoy these kind of videos, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below so you stay up to date with all of my latest uploads. And as you can tell by the title of this video, we have a Dollar Tree haul. Leave a comment down below if you've ever tried any of the Dollar Tree makeup. And before we just go ahead and jump into today's video, let me start it off by saying you are beautiful, you are loved, and you are worthy. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump in. Like I mentioned, I have about like 20 items here, and a majority of it is from the brand Ioni. And if you know, I love their lashes. Again, from the Dollar Tree, only $1. I am highly impressed with it. So when I saw that they had like a whole product line of makeup, you already know I had to give it a try. So that's the majority of like what I have here. And I'm just gonna jump right into it because I have a lot. So starting off with the Ioni brand, this is just an eyeliner pencil. I picked this up because I want to see if it's creamy and if it's actually pigmented. Sometimes some eyeliner pencils from the Dollar Tree aren't like that creamy or pigmented, so I'm gonna give this one a try, and I'm very excited. Again, I'm not going in any particular order, I'm just picking up as I go along. And I picked up this face brush. Well, this is like one of like those gel applicators for when you do like a face mask. I just always apply it with my hands, but it kind of annoys me because it's like hard to clean off my hands. So I just picked up like this silicone one. But yeah, I'm excited to finally use this one. And then I decided to pick up one brush. They had multiple brushes there, and I just want to test out this one. And if this one's good, then I'll probably go back and pick up more. And maybe I'll do like a whole test review on their face brushes. I was thinking maybe I'll try out this one, see if it's any good. And if this is good, then I'll probably do like a review video of all their face brushes and all that stuff. So we'll see how this one brush holds up and see if it's like soft or anything. So I'm excited to put this one to the test. And speaking about brushes, I picked up this like shadow sponge cleaner. I figured when I'm doing like my eyeshadow, like something like this would be really good to just like quickly clean off the brush, especially when I'm playing with color. So I want to test this out, see if this is any good. Hopefully it doesn't have a smell or anything to it. And this is from the brand Sassy and Chic. Then I got their brow gel. I'm very excited to use this one. If it actually holds the brows in place and how pigmented this is, see if this is actually like a good brow gel. So we'll see. Then I saw this one. This is just a hydrating primer. It just says a flawless face that lasts all day long. Okay, so it's supposed to be like an all day primer. So let's see. Starts with face hydrating primer, transforms your skin into a smooth canvas ready for makeup application. Oh, this is cool. I didn't realize this brand was cruelty free and vegan. Very interesting. I didn't even realize. Okay, so this is another eyeliner. I guess this one's a liquid eyeliner. I thought this was a mascara when I was in the store. It kind of looks like a mascara in here, but it's not. It's an eyeliner, so I guess I'm gonna test it out and see if it's pigmented and how it applies on the eyelids. So I'm excited again. But this one is supposedly waterproof and smudge free. So we'll see. And then I have the setting spray, and this is just says, lock in your flawless makeup all day long. This spray delivers a cooling, lightweight mist, refreshing your makeup. Keep it in place for hours without creasing or fading. I feel like this is a lot of promises for $1, you know? I mean, these products look very small, like travel size. So, I mean, not like you're getting like a full size setting spray, but still. Anyways, this is the last of the Ioni products that I have, and this is the face highlighter. It just looks white in here, but I think their other colors just, I don't know, they really didn't have a lot of colors, so I just kind of picked up the one that I think may potentially be best for my skin. But we'll see. It says it's natural and long lasting, so maybe not as pigmented. We're gonna put all these products to the test. Oh, you guys, I didn't realize I had one last Ioni product left. And this is a highlight and bronzer. So the back says, reveal your inner bronze goddess. The silky and blendable highlight and bronzer powder effortlessly gives you a healthy sun-kissed glow. I feel like that's a lot of promises there. This honestly looks too light. This probably looks like a good highlight shade for me, but I'm not sure if like it's just like this one or if there's like a bronzer on top. I have no idea. So that's also why I picked it up to see like what it is. That's the thing with Dollar Tree is sometimes their colors are either really dark or really light. There's really no in between. It is what it is. Sometimes I just have to make it work. And then speaking about like face colors, I just got the Sassy and Chic BB cream. It just says skincare plus makeup. I don't know if this is a foundation, but I got the shade dark. Yeah, there's nothing else on here besides really just that, and then the ingredient list on the back. And they did have the Ioni lashes, but I wanted to give these lashes a try. This is a new brand I saw there. It was Diamond Cosmetics, and these lashes look pretty good. So I want to see how they look on my eyes and see how comfortable they are and all that. Like, I've already reviewed the Ioni lashes and we all know those are fire. So I'm gonna be testing out these. Then I found some Maybelline. They had a lot of lipsticks there, and I decided to be bold and pick up their like hot pink one. But yeah, I figured, you know what? I always want to buy like a hot pink shade, and I just don't want to spend the money, honestly. Like, I know I'm not a big lipstick person, and I know I'm not gonna reach for this. I'll probably reach for it like once a year. So I don't want to spend a lot of money, but this was $1, so I finally picked it up, and I think this might be worth it. I don't know. Maybelline's a pretty good brand, so I'm excited to try this one out. Then another lip product. I was actually very, very excited about this. They have some like Believe Beauty there, and this is just a lip gloss, and this is in the shade Heartbreaker. I just figured for $1 it's definitely worth a try, and Believe Beauty is actually a really good brand. And then I picked up this lip scrubber because my lips have been so dry, so I just picked this up, and I'm gonna just use this on the side. I'm not gonna test it in a video or anything, but I figured I can't go wrong with this. Like, hello, it's winter, my lips are chapped. And then again, they had Believe Beauty, and I picked up another highlighter, and this is just the Radiant Finish highlighter, so I'm excited to try this one out. I know Believe Beauty is such a good brand, but this one kind of has like purpley gold flecks in here, so I want to see how that like translates onto the skin. I was so excited that they had this brand there. They don't have like a full collection of this brand, but they have like certain items, and it's Milani, and I grabbed their Conceal and Perfect foundation stick, and they had the shade Nutmeg. Kind of see like it's a darker shade, but I figured this would be really good for contouring, and I want to see if it's creamy. Like, why is this at the Dollar Tree? I don't know. I think maybe this shade in particular just probably wasn't a big seller for them, so they probably did it like a write-off. I'm not sure, I'm just speculating, but I want to try this as a contour, so we will be testing that out. And then lastly, another Milani product. This is their Conceal and Perfect, and I just got, this is the only shade they had, which was like the dark shade. So I think actually this lighter shade could go like underneath my eye, or if I have any pimples that like need extra concealing before I put on foundation, would definitely be going in with this shade. And this one I think I would also use for contouring. So I don't know, I'm excited to play around with this one and see how all of these products work together. And that is everything that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And honestly, I might go back because I do want to film a full face of Dollar Tree makeup, and I think I still need a few more items to make it like a full face. I need some powders, but keep an eye out because I do want to do a full face of testing the Ioni product and then just testing the Dollar Tree makeup products. So they're going to be 2 different videos, so definitely keep an eye out for those. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you hit that like button down below, and don't forget to subscribe so you stay up to date with all my latest uploads. And again, leave a comment down below if you've ever tried any type of makeup products from the Dollar Tree that you think I'm missing, that I need to go back and find and try to purchase. As always, before signing off, I want to leave you with this: you are beautiful, you are loved, and you're worthy. All right, guys, bye.